survive. With climate change causing sea ice to melt rapidly, polar bears have to swim longer distances in search of food and new ice flows to rest. Scientists have recorded individuals who can swim continuously for days, even weeks, covering distances of up to hundreds of kilometers. This super swimming ability does not come naturally. Over millions of years of evolution, polar bears have developed special anatomical features to adapt to the harsh living environment. Their large, webbed feet not only help them move on ice and snow, but also act as effective paddles underwater. Thanks to their superior swimming ability, polar bears can hunt more effectively, search for food-rich sea areas, and move flexibly between ice flows. This not only ensures the survival of the individual, but also contributes to maintaining the balance of the Arctic ecosystem. Polar bears primarily prey on seals, especially ringed seals. Seals are ideal prey because they have thick layers of fat that are rich in lipids and energy, which polar bears need to withstand the harsh cold. An adult seal can provide up to 55,000 calories, more than half the calories a polar bear needs in a day. To get this high-energy meal, polar bears have developed extremely sophisticated hunting skills. With their keen sense of smell, polar bears can detect seals from up to 1.6 kilometers away. They can even see through thick ice to find prey. Once locating the seal, the polar bear will slowly and carefully approach the breathing hole. At the right moment, when the seal comes up to breathe, the polar bear will launch a powerful blow. With incredible muscular strength, especially in the shoulders and front legs, polar bears can generate enough impressive force to take down prey instantly. The polar bear's superior hunting ability is the result of a long evolutionary process. Their white fur provides camouflage against the ice, while their thick layer of fat provides warmth and energy reserves. Each of these features plays a key role in helping polar bears adapt to their harsh environment and become formidable predators in the Arctic. However, the Arctic is not just home to powerful predators like polar bears. It is also home to resilient herbivores like the mighty reindeer, another symbol of survival in this harsh land. With incredible adaptability, reindeer can forage in all sorts of harsh Arctic conditions, from snow-covered coniferous forests to desolate tundras, or even the frozen fields of Siberia. They can adapt to temperatures ranging from below 0 to 50 degrees Celsius thanks to their thick double furs. The outer layer is long and coarse, providing protection against cold wind and snow, while the inner layer is softer and made of hollow hairs, which effectively retain heat. Interestingly, these hollow hairs not only provide insulation, but also reduce body weight, allowing reindeer to move smoothly through deep snow without getting bogged down. This is important because they often migrate long distances in search of food. In addition to their light fur, reindeer have hooves that are extremely useful for traveling long distances over difficult terrain. When moving on soft snow, their hooves expand, increasing the contact area with the ground to distribute their body weight. When walking on hard surfaces, such as ice or slippery rocks, reindeer hooves contract to provide better grip. Semicircular in shape and extremely sharp, these hooves help reindeer stand firmly on slippery ground, ensuring stability. This ability is essential when they need to cross long stretches of ice during their migration. Additionally, the meatus under the hoof shrinks in winter, preventing the heel from directly touching the ice, helping to prevent heat loss through the foot, an important strategy for survival in freezing Arctic conditions. Thanks to their flexible hooves, long and agile legs and trunk, reindeer can cross a wide variety of terrain, from deep snow to hard ice, migrating up to 5,000 kilometers each year in search of seasonal food. This makes reindeer champions of the largest land migrations of any mammal. Every year, Siberian reindeer make long migrations in search of food and better living conditions. These migrations usually occur in the fall and spring, when the climate and food sources change with the seasons. They can travel 20 to 50 kilometers per day at a constant speed. As winter approaches and food runs out, they migrate south in search of taiga and grasslands, where temperatures are milder and food is hidden under the snow. Remarkably, the Siberian reindeer migrations are often on a massive scale. Herds can number up to 100,000 individuals, creating one of the most impressive wildlife spectacles on the planet. The migration of reindeer not only helps them find seasonal food sources, but also plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance. When migrating to new lands, reindeer transport nutrients, contributing to improving the soil and local vegetation, promoting the development of the ecosystem here. Furthermore, migration helps reindeer avoid harsh weather conditions and reduces competition for food resources in the same area, ensuring sustainable use of the environment. In their adaptations for survival, reindeer have become masters at finding food under the deep snow during the harsh Siberian winters. While most other herbivores struggle to access food covered in snow, reindeer have developed unique biological traits that allow them to survive and stay healthy during the colder months. However, to maintain the balance in this ecosystem, we cannot fail to mention the presence of the main predator, the Siberian gray wolf, which is a symbol of intelligent alliance and collective strength in the natural world. With impressive survival abilities, gray wolves thrive in challenging areas. In Siberia, they inhabit a wide variety of environments, from dense taiga forests to frozen tundra to harsh high mountains. Faced with bitter cold and countless adversities, the Siberian gray wolf proves itself to be a true master in the art of survival. With its thick fur, the Siberian gray wolf has the most valuable weapon against the harsh conditions of this icy land. The gray wolf's fur is made up of two layers. The long, coarse, water-repellent outer layer protects you from the cold winds and keeps the inner layer dry. The soft, dense inner layer creates an insulating layer of air, helping to keep your body temperature stable even when the outside temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. In particular, this layer of fur changes depending on the season, being thicker in winter to retain heat and thinner in summer to help dissipate heat. In the extreme cold of Siberia, gray wolves can take down prey many times their own body weight. Thanks to their ability to hunt in organized and efficient packs, Siberian gray wolves have become top predators in one of the most challenging environments in the world. Although Siberian wolves can hunt alone, they rarely do so. The reason they usually hunt in groups is to maximize their chances of success. A pack of wolves can take down prey weighing 700 kilograms or more, while an adult wolf weighs only 30 to 50 kilograms. Research shows that Siberian wolves have a success rate of 20 to 30% when hunting large prey, an impressive number in the animal kingdom. Wolves use sophisticated coordination tactics among their members. During the hunt, they communicate with howls, growls, and even cunning eye contact. In particular, gray wolves have an extremely powerful bite force, reaching 1,500 pounds per square inch. With this strength, they can easily crush the bones of large prey such as deer and even bison. This allows them to consume almost the entire prey and take full advantage of the nutrients. It is a dramatic and intellectual hunt, demonstrating incredible coordination and sophisticated hunting strategies that few animals possess. When you witness the sophistication and ability to hunt in groups of Siberian wolves, you will be even more impressed by their incredible endurance. Siberian wolves are famous for their ability to travel long distances and endure hunger for long periods of time. They can travel continuously from 20 to 40 kilometers per day when hunting. And when necessary, they can travel up to 60 kilometers to reach their prey. Furthermore, they can survive without food for periods ranging from 7 to 14 days, possibly up to 20 days in the harshest winters when food becomes scarce. In the vast tundra of Siberia, every day is a brutal fight for survival. A pack of Siberian wolves patiently follows the trail of reindeer across the cold, harsh terrain. Even after many failed hunts, they never give up. This incredible physical and mental endurance is what allows them to survive and remain apex predators. Siberia, with its harsh climate and diverse terrain, has created a unique and mysterious ecosystem. The vast taiga forests are covered with cold, hardy conifers. The wildlife here is also unique, from the strongly reindeer to the majestic brown bear. However, global warming is threatening this ecosystem, melting snow and ice and changing the habitats of many animals. Protecting Siberia is not only protecting a unique ecosystem, but also contributing to the future of our planet.